What's up, guys? Have you ever posted a video and thought, this one's good, then suddenly, boom, it takes off like a rocket? That's exactly what happened to me. I woke up and my YouTube analytics were going crazy. Views multiplying, subscribers jumping by the hundreds, and it felt like magic. But here's the truth, it wasn't luck. There's a real reason why my channel skyrocketed so fast. And today I'm revealing 6 powerful tips that turn my channel from invisible to unbelievably viral. So before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to Tutorial Masterclass, drop a comment below, hit like, and share this video to help other creators skyrocket too. When I first started on YouTube, I struggled like most creators. My first videos barely hit 100 views. I thought the algorithm hated me. But after testing, failing, and learning for months, I cracked a formula that completely changed everything. Within just a few weeks, my channel went from slow and steady to fast and unstoppable. If you're tired of watching your views crawl while others blow up overnight, grab a notebook because these 6 tips are the real reasons my channel exploded. Tip number 1, I mastered the first 15 seconds. YouTube's attention span is ruthless. If you don't grab viewers in 15 seconds, they're gone. So I stopped wasting time with boring intros. No more, hi guys, welcome to my channel. Instead, I started my videos with a triggering question or a relatable frustration. Example, instead of saying, let's talk about YouTube growth, I said, you've been posting videos for months and still not growing, right? That made people stay because they instantly felt understood. Pro tip, start with something that hits an emotional nerve. Make your viewer say, oh my gosh, that's exactly me. That's how you earn their attention fast. Tip number 2, I treated my thumbnails like movie posters. Let's be honest, people judge a video by its thumbnail. When my channel skyrocketed, it wasn't because my video suddenly got better, it's because my click-through rate exploded. Here's what I changed. I made my face bigger and more expressive. I used fewer words, maximum of 3 to 5 bold ones. I added contrast and emotion. Example, my viral video thumbnail said, I did this once, with a shocked face. People clicked instantly. Treat your thumbnail like a billboard. It must make people stop scrolling and think, I need to know what this is. Your video can't blow up if nobody clicks it. Tip number 3, I focused on retention, not views. I used to chase views. Big mistake. What I learned is that YouTube rewards videos people actually finish watching. So I changed my structure. I made my videos flow like a story. I added pattern breaks every 30 seconds, camera zooms, sound effects, quick visuals, even text pop-ups to keep attention alive. Then I teased upcoming tips like saying, and the most shocking secret, that's coming up next. That simple storytelling shift made people stay 70 to 80% longer. Remember, watch time equals trust time. If you make viewers stay longer, YouTube will push your video to a massive audience. Tip number 4, I found my winning topic. Once my channel took off, I realized one thing, not every topic performs equally. So I stopped making random videos and focused on the ones that consistently got people excited, emotional, or curious. I looked at my analytics and asked, which video made people binge my channel? That became my content direction. The trick, find your sweet spot, the topic that fits you, but also what the audience can't stop watching. When you hit that balance, the algorithm can't ignore you. Tip number 5, I started engaging like crazy. This one shocked me because engagement is more powerful than most realize. When I replied to every comment, pinned my favorite ones, and hearted my viewers' messages, YouTube saw activity on my videos. And guess what? That told the algorithm, this video is alive. Engagement keeps your content circulating. Plus, it builds loyalty. Your subscribers start feeling seen. So ask questions in your videos. Reply within the first hour of posting. And most importantly, make your viewers feel like family. When you build a community, your channel doesn't just grow, it skyrockets. Tip number 6, I stopped overthinking and started testing. I used to overthink everything, titles, editing, lighting, and I'd delay posting for weeks. But YouTube growth doesn't come from perfection, it comes from momentum. I started posting more frequently, testing new formats, experimenting with titles and styles, and that's when I discovered what really works. Every upload gave me data. Every failure gave me feedback. Stop trying to make your videos perfect, just make them better each time. Once I focused on learning instead of worrying, my creativity exploded and so did my views. So, to recap the 6 tips why my channel skyrocketed so fast: 1. Hook your viewers in the first 15 seconds. 2. Make irresistible thumbnails. 3. Focus on retention, not views. 4. Find your winning topic. 5. Engage with your audience. 6. Stop overthinking and start testing. If you follow these tips consistently, your channel won't just grow, it'll skyrocket. Make sure to subscribe to Tutorial Masterclass. Drop a comment below, hit like, and share this video so more creators can join the growth movement. This is your Tutorial Masterclass. Keep learning, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.